Looking to do MBA in Mumbai? Here are the top 5 B schools you should know.
Number 1. Indian Institute of Management, India's top management institute with world-class faculty and unbeatable brand value. Number 2. SPJIMR Institute of Management and Research, known for innovation, leadership focus and strong industry connections. Number 3. Jamnalal Bajaj Institute of Management Studies, Mumbai's iconic B school, famous for finance and marketing excellence. Number 4. Narsee Monjay Institute of Management Studies, premier private institute with excellent placements and diverse MBA programs. Number 5. Shailesh J. Mehta School of Management, IIT Bombay's Management School offers tech-driven MBA programs and strong industry connections. Choose wisely and lead the future. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe and follow Graduates Engine for more college tips.